What's up everyone, Ollelito here, pro player for Juventus. I'm here with my boy Kalulu. Last year we did penalties, me against Kalulu. In this video today we will be going together, playing against the AI or legendary difficulty. Will be hard, but I found a top player beside me here.
Yeah, that's really a top player. But if you will be more easy and let's see what happened.
Yeah, and the catch, we can't talk to each other or we can't even celebrate. Then we will give the AI a go. So we need to be quiet all game, can't celebrate. That's the only catch. Let's jump right into the game.
Let's go.
Come
No
on.
pressure, no pressure, no
Come on, Pierre, come on. We are the white kids. So Pierre is blue, I'm red. Okay. Pierre, I already talked.
I know, that's why I didn't answer, but they will not score.
Okay, we need to give them a go.
Okay, take it.
Let me just pull everything out.
Yeah, it will
Okay,
be too
so, okay. From now on, I'm going to be quiet.
top.
Yes, Pierre. Yes, Pierre.
What a game, what a game, what
Bro,
a game.
that was the most stressful game I think I've ever played, honestly.
I swear you feel all action, all the things, all la.
But the thing was, at the start of the game, I wasn't even thinking. I was talking, you know, like we were playing.
Yeah, I was thinking like, what you saying? After I saw it begin, nobody said nothing. I was like...
But we managed to win the game, 3-2.
But I swear it was hard.
Yeah, it was hard, no?
Well, they find some passes.
Yeah, exactly. And like we tried to put pressure and stuff, but they were just like playing tiki-taka, you know?
Like us.
Exactly. But I think the biggest thing
Yeah.
in their lineup, they didn't have Pierre Kalulu in the team.
That the
We
fact.
had Pierre Kalulu in our team.
So yeah, we cheat a little bit.
Yeah.
All FIFA player know it, but it's okay.
That's what we gotta do to win, you know? We do everything to win.
Everything good. 3-2?
3-2 win.
Yeah.
Easy.
Great team.
So that's been everything for today. Me and Pierre obviously managed to win the game. 3-2, easy win I would say. Pierre was absolutely cooking. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you soon.
See you.
Bye.